welcome to my vlog. For this video, we will talk about understanding the basic concept in ICT. Technology, the use of scientific knowledge for practical purposes or applications, whether in our industry or in our daily lives. Technology affects the way individuals communicate, learn, and think. It helps society and determines how people interact with each other on a daily basis. Next, we have ICT literacy, means thinking critically and creatively about information and about communications as a citizen of the global community while using ICT safely, responsibly, and ethically. ICT literacy is using digital technology, communication tools, and network to access, manage, integrate, evaluate, and create information in order to function in a knowledge society. Educational technology is the considered implementation of appropriate tools, techniques, or process that facilitate the application of sense, memory, and cognition to enhance teaching practices and improve learning outcomes. Educational technology is the ability to enhance relationship between teachers and students. Technology helps make teaching and learning more meaningful and fun. Next, we have digital literacy. It refers to an individual's ability to find, evaluate, and clearly communicate information through typing and other media on various digital platforms. It is evaluated by an individual's grammar, compositions, typing skills, and ability to produce text, images, audio, and designs using technology. With digital literacy skills, students can move beyond a process-oriented understanding of technology and apply digital resources creatively in their original work. Digital learning is learning facilitated by technology that gives students some element of control over time, place, path, or pace. In short, digital learning can enhance learning experiences, save teachers' time, enable teachers to better tailor learning to students' needs, aid in tracking students' progress, provide transparency into the learning process for all stakeholders, and much more. Next, online digital tools and apps use an internet connection. Digital tools are programs, websites, or online resources that can make tasks easier to complete. A lot of this can be accessed in web browsers without needing to be downloaded, and you can access them both at home and in work. Common example is Skype, a telecommunication application software product that specializes in providing video tablets, mobile device via internet and regular telephones. Offline digital tools and apps. Offline learning refers to situations where the program is not operating and taking in new information in real time. Instead, it has a static set of input data, the opposite in learning, where the machine learning program is working in real time on data that comes in. Instructional technology is a specific technology field that deals with creating resources for learning. It is the theory and practice of design, development, utilization, management, and evaluation of process and resources for learning. The main purpose of instructional technology is to create engaging, effective learning experiences using available technology tools for pedagogical purposes and motivation. Next, we have software. Comprises the entire set of programs, procedures, and routines associated with the operation of a computer system. A set of instructions that directs a computer hardware to perform a task is called a program or software program. Software is a set of instructions, data or programs used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. It is the opposite of hardware, which describes the physical aspect of a computer. Software is a generic term used to refer to applications, scripts, and programs that run on a device. Next, multimedia is a form of communications that combines different content forms such as text, audio, images, animations, or video into a single interactive presentation, in contrast to traditional mass media, which featured little to no interactions from users, such as a printed material or audio recording. The purpose of multimedia is to combine all of this so that the benefits of each can be used in a desktop environment. Next, Internet is an electronic communication network that connects computers, networks, and organizational computer facilities around the world. The main purpose of the Internet is to provide global access to data and communications. Use of the Internet and networking is essential for advancing research in science, medicine, engineering, and design, as well as in maintaining global defense and surveillance. Next, World Wide Web, commonly known as the web, is an information system where documents and other web resources are identified by uniform resource locator, which may be interlinked by hyperlinks and are accessible over the Internet. It connected the world in a way that was not possible before and made it much easier for people to get information, share, and communicate. It allowed people to share their work and thoughts through social network sites, blog, and video sharing. The World Wide Web made it much easier for people to share information. Next, web access means having a connection to the World Wide Web through an access provider or an online service provider such as American Online. For data access, access is usually specified as read-only access and read-write access. Next, WebQuest is a valuable tool to use with students. It allows students to work at their own pace, either individually or in a team. A WebQuest is a fun, research-based tool to help students learn more detailed information about a specific topic being studied and creates a great sense of importance for the topic. Next, productivity tools are applications that allow for the viewing, creating, and modifying of general office documents like spreadsheets, presentations, letters, personal database from generations, image editing, and etc. Office productivity tools also include applications for managing employee tasks. Next, we have technology tools, and electronic, digital, or physical tools that can expand the human ability for performing tasks or generating products. Technology has evolved and shaped our workplaces in many ways through the adaptation of tools like the Internet, email for communications, word processing, spreadsheets and presentation for office productivity, electronic databases for record keeping, and robots and artificial intelligence for automations. Next, blog is an online journal where posted information from both teachers and students are arranged. Three kinds includes blogs for communications, blog for both. The purpose of a blog is to provide content on your website that answers your prospective customers' questions and help them learn about your product or service. Next, Wiki, a website that allows collaborative editing of its content and structures by its users. Wiki means a website that allows anyone to add delete or revise content by using a web browser. The term wiki is also used as a verb. If you wiki, you are either researching a topic on a wiki or contributing to one. A wiki is a collaborative tool that allows students to contribute and modify one or more pages of course-related materials. Wiki is a collaborative in nature and facilitate community building within a course. Essentially, a wiki is a web page with an opening editing system. Next, flipped classroom is an instructional strategy and a type of blended learning which aim to increase students' engagement and learning by having students to complete readings at their home and work on live problem solving during class time. The main goal of a flipped classroom is to enhance students' learning and achievement by reversing the traditional model of a classroom, focusing class time on the students' understanding rather than a lecture. Next, podcast, a digital audio file made available on the internet for downloading to a computer or mobile device, typically available as a series, new installments of which can be received by subscriber automatically. Podcasts give you the opportunity to share your expertise in a conversational way. You can relate to your customers' needs while sharing the experiences of others like them. Google Apps provides applications as a service rather than as software to download and install. Next, Facebook. Facebook is defined as an online social networking website where people can create profiles, share information such as photos and quotes about themselves, and respond or link to the information posted by the others. An online social networking website is an example of Facebook. Facebook's mission is to give people the power to build community and bring the world closer together. People use Facebook to stay connected with friends and family, to discover what's going on in the world, and to share and express what matters to them. Last but not the least, Voice over Internet Protocol, also called IP telephony, is a method and group of technologies for the delivery of voice communications and multimedia sessions over Internet protocols network such as the Internet.
Nope.